Question again, you could do elimination or substitution. The thing is that with elimination you do avoid a lot of fraction work that you would have if you did substitution for this method. So I want to go through kind of the less obvious one to eliminate. So if you said that I want to eliminate x, what is interesting about this is you have 5x and you have 7x, and they do not have a common factor between them. So in order to eliminate, you would have to multiply the first equation by 7 and the second equation by -5. And if you did that, then you would get 35x and -35x, which would add to your 0x. So here you're actually going to have to multiply both equations in order to get the variable eliminated. All right, so let's kind of go through this, how that would be. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to multiply equation number 1 by 7. Okay, so that 5x minus 2y is equal to 2.25. We'll multiply all three terms by 7 to get 35x minus 14y is equal to, and the 2.5 times 7 gives you 15.75. So that is our new equation 1. Now, we will also multiply equation 2 by, in this case, -5. So when we multiply by -5, again, we're taking equation 2 and then multiplying all of that by -5. So this gives us -35x plus 20y equals -15. And that's our new equation 2. Now at that point, we can then add the two equations together. So we have our two equations. Now we are going to add, and when we add, we'll add our new equation 1. So 35x minus 14y is equal to 15.75. And we'll add that to the new equation 2, the -35x plus 20y is equal to -15. And just as expected, the x's crossed out. You get 6y is equal to positive 0.75. And then from there, you would just divide by 6 on both sides. And so you get y is equal to, and you could use a calculator for this, but it's 0.75 divided by 6. So that gives you 0.125, which is of course going to be equal to 1/8. So you're getting y is equal to 1/8. Now remember, when you get that final answer, that's not your final answer because you also have to identify your x value, and so you can plug into either equation. It does not matter which equation that you want to plug in, but you'll sub into either equation. So I might take the 5x minus 2y is equal to 2.25 and plug in my x value. And in this case, my x value I do not know. And then the y value is the one that I do know. The 0.125 is equal to 2.25. Okay, so let me scoot this up here. So what we're looking at is we're looking at 5x minus, and then the 2 times the 0.125 gives you 0.25 is equal to 2.25. And then add 0.25, and you get 5x is equal to 2.5, and then divide by 5. So you get 10 as your x value. So your final answer is going to be 10, 0.125.